Starting a career in digital marketing can feel like stepping into a vast, ever-changing landscape, but it's also one of the most exciting fields to dive into. First, let's talk about the essentials. You don't need a fancy degree to get started. What you really need is a willingness to learn and adapt. Digital marketing is all about understanding your audience and finding creative ways to connect with them. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the core areas of digital marketing: search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Each of these components plays a crucial role in a comprehensive marketing strategy. For instance, SEO is about optimizing your content so it ranks higher on search engines, while content marketing focuses on creating valuable content that attracts and retains customers. One of the best ways to learn is through hands-on experience. Start your own blog or social media page. This not only gives you practical experience, but also allows you to experiment with different strategies. Track your progress using analytics tools. They'll help you understand what works and what doesn't. Plus, it's a great way to build a portfolio that showcases your skills to potential employers. Networking is another vital aspect of breaking into digital marketing. Attend industry events, webinars, and workshops. Join online communities and forums where you can connect with professionals in the field. Don't be afraid to reach out for informational interviews. Most people are happy to share their experiences and advice, and you never know where a simple conversation might lead. Certifications can also boost your credibility. Platforms like Google, HubSpot, and Facebook offer free or low-cost courses that provide valuable insights and credentials. Completing these courses not only enhances your knowledge, but also shows potential employers that you're serious about your career. As you start applying for jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and experiences. Use specific examples of projects you've worked on or results you've achieved. Employers appreciate candidates who can demonstrate their impact, even if it's from personal projects. Once you land a job, be prepared to keep learning. Digital marketing is constantly evolving with new tools, trends, and technologies. Stay updated by following industry blogs, podcasts, and influencers. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and advance your career. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of creativity. Digital marketing thrives on innovative ideas and fresh perspectives. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and experiment with new approaches. Your unique voice and ideas can set you apart in a crowded market. In summary, starting a career in digital marketing is about being proactive, adaptable, and creative. Dive into learning, gain experience, network, and keep evolving. With determination and the right strategies, you can carve out a successful path in this dynamic field.